Spray fluxing plays a critical role in modern PCB assembly, especially in wave soldering and selective soldering processes. The purpose of spray fluxing is to apply a controlled amount of flux exactly where it's needed, ensuring proper solder wetting and reliable electrical connections from board to board. Today, ultrasonic spray fluxing is widely recognized as the industry standard for applying flux. By using high-frequency vibration to atomize the liquid, ultrasonic systems create a fine, uniform spray that delivers consistent coverage, avoids clogging, and supports reliable through-hole penetration across a wide range of flux chemistries. Ultrasonic spray fluxing works by delivering liquid flux to an ultrasonic nozzle, where it is broken into controlled droplets. These droplets are gently transported to the board surface, allowing for uniform deposition without excessive overspray. The result is repeatable flux coverage that improves soldering consistency and reduces material usage. In inline production environments, ultrasonic spray fluxing is often combined with XY motion to selectively apply flux only where it's needed. This supports patterns such as lines, dots, or defined areas, enabling targeted flux application while boards continue moving through the line. Selective inline fluxing helps reduce flux consumption while maintaining excellent soldering results in flexible production settings. As production requirements increase, automation becomes more important. Servo-controlled spray fluxing systems provide highly repeatable motion and precise coordination between spray patterns and board handling. These systems can be configured either as part of a wave solder machine or as standalone units positioned ahead of the wave, giving manufacturers flexibility in how they integrate fluxing into the production line. This level of control supports recipe-based operation, fast changeovers, and integration with automated line controls, making it well-suited for environments with frequent product variation. Not all production environments require the same level of automation. In high-mix manufacturing, flexibility, simplicity, and accessibility are often the priority. Reciprocating ultrasonic spray fluxing systems deliver consistent coverage across a wide range of board sizes and flux types, with straightforward operation and minimal setup. For high-volume, dedicated production lines, stationary ultrasonic spray fluxing offers a different advantage. With no moving spray components, these systems are optimized for long production runs with minimal operator intervention. High transfer efficiency and enclosed spray environments support stable, repeatable flux application when throughput and uptime are the primary goals. Ultrasonic spray fluxing provides uniform deposition, non-clogging operation, and repeatable results. By selecting the appropriate system for a given production environment, manufacturers can achieve consistent soldering performance across a wide range of applications.